Yeah, the old trim up around there. Soffit or whatever. Look at that big old windows. Holy. Yeah, that's always promising. Gorgeous old architecture. And gotta take our sunglasses off. Oh crap. Make sure the floor's solid. Yeah, seems solid. Here is the open part. Ooh. That is looking pretty rough. Definitely looked better. Old carpet pad on top of wood floor. Oh my. Well, you have to be careful here. Some of the flooring is a little iffy. But what a cool, huge room. That right there is a hole in the floor. Might be for a vent though.
Toilet.
It does seem to tilt. Yeah,
Toilet.
maybe.
Yeah, toilet
Upstairs. Oh, some of this is coming down. Wow. Just look at the size of the old windows. They had to bring in light. That window is like 8 feet tall. Size of these windows. And I give you some perspective. That's a couch. That's not even up to a quarter of the window height. Ooh, floor is bowed up and tilted over there. A little bit this way. But really, that must have been really cool at one time, those 3 windows. Good bay area. Here's a cool old front door. Dormer. And daylight. That is cool. Of course, every old farmhouse, you have to have your old farmhouse and scene wallpaper. This is a little soft, so be careful.
I'm going to go one at a time. I already know it's got a cellar.
The stairwell is cool. Look at that. It's up to me to test it out. Actually, it's probably the most solid part of the house. Yeah, there's some of this maybe a little iffy. Ooh. Hang on a sec. Okay, I saw it more than I thought.
Walk down the center, because they usually have a center beam in them too.
Well, most of the steps are on the side.
No, what I'm saying, walk down the center, they got
That one step there moves.
that one.
That one right there. Start kicking with your feet. Watch it. You start getting a little softer right there. See that one? Now kick the next one.
It's this one right here.
There you go. Great stairwell. Stair railing. Whee. Got little drip buckets in here. Like it's gonna do any good with a huge hole in the ceiling. Looks like they used to try to save this place. This is where you gotta know your limits as an explorer. Because right now we are really being very careful. Boy, they loved that really old green weird paint back in the day, didn't they? They could put it somewhere they did. More daylight. More Sean. I'm coming back slowly and carefully. And if you look above you,
It's all shifting in the middle.
you've got a nice ceiling there.
You see how this one is? This one's angled this way.
Yeah.
This one behind you is angled that way.
Uh-huh.
That one was angled this way.
Everything's going towards the center in this
Same
house.
boat,
you can see what Sean was talking about. Is that doorway, if I hold this level, like I am right now, that doorway, as you can see, is tilted downhill to the left. One he's standing in is the same way. That is me holding the cam level. That is tilted down towards the center. Everything in this house is tilting this way. So we are really being careful. That, as you can see, is coming loose on his frame. Because the doorway is tilting down and, well, the rest isn't. There's like wallpaper with newspaper under it on the floor. Dude, I wonder how old that newspaper is. Oh my lord. Dude, you gotta see this. Holy crap. Mr. Quick hamburgers. Dude, unfold that. Unfold that newspaper piece right there, if that's foldable. Mr. Quick, dude, this.
Be careful, be careful. This shit's really fragile. This is how they used to insulate.
Oh my lord.
Keep going. I bet in here there's a bunch of it.
1967. Thursday, June 8th, 1967. Unfold that part, see if you can unfold it. Oh, I see that old Mr. Quick up there in the corner.
Just give me a second. Like I told you. This is 1967.
Dude! Romper room!
This shit is.
Oh. Grand opening of Mr. Quick.
June 8th, 1967.
Oh my. That is so cool.
Free color.
Just the newspapers was worth this whole place. Best wishes to Mr. Quick. Other businesses wishing him health and well-being. Ooh, free 15 transistor radios. And they're really happy they have an air-conditioned dining room.
Free color.
Jesus, look at this newspaper. This is June 8th, 1967 newspaper. And it is in amazing shape. Hey.
1966.
Look. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh.
New Boston.
Ooh, hey, look at that. Charge card, dude. Why, thousands of stores all Illinois. Under this, charge it card. Wow. Oh my God. Like this place used to be a real bustling thing. In case you don't know, it's not. And strangely, it's not even that close to here. Oh, wow.
The solid state UHF tuner. Motorola, 128 bucks.
128 bucks. Wow.
June 9th, 1967.
It's in the shadow.
For sale, 1961 Chevy wagon 4-door, serial number, blah, blah, blah.
Ooh, I love the glasses. Look at that. Those are party glasses there.
Contact lenses, $45.
Probably can't post any of that because of the name and they're still around. Some of it.
Volkswagen.
Old binoculars. An 11 transistor. An 11 transistor FM AM radio. And a 6 transistor radio too. You are paying for more transistors. My lord. Get the Thrift Town bargain habit.
Caulk and gun, 66 cents. It's when they actually put the cent sign.
And a C. A C, not even a line through it. C. Essex. 6 transistor radio. Oh no. Only 6 transistors.
Never heard of them.
Schlegel. My, oh my. Ooh. The Whiz plastic food wrap, 19 cents. Don't tell me things haven't gone up. You're a gnome? So
Suppositories.
it's deodorant for your gnome. 100 extra? King corn stamps. The hell's king corn? Oh wow, but look at this. Look at that.
The Tonight Show.
The Today Show starring Hugh Downs and Tonight Show with Johnny Carson. And look at the age of Johnny Carson. Ooh, here you go. Look at this.
Oh, reel. Take reel.
$40. A dozen oranges. And you can barely see that. It's up under the rug there, but 49 cents for a dozen oranges. Boy, try that nowadays. Let's fold this flooring back where it was. So anybody else comes in later, they can see this cool stuff too. Here, hang on to that. Once again, we don't destroy. Till a piece of a brittle floor breaks off in your hand. Jeez. So this whole floor is insulated underneath with old 60s newspapers. Pretty cool. We are going to step outside and go look around and about done in here. Ooh. There is my favorite old stump. And a very springy board. Hold on. Sorry, I was looking at Mr. Bouncy Bounce here that I stepped on. Sean's being nice enough to tie this closed for them so they don't flap around and bust things or leak any worse than it already did right there. Woo! You gotta watch the end of this old porch. Love the old wood patina. Just look at that. That looks so cool. Now here is the original. Stupid porch is gonna get me yet. There. The original entrance, and I can't see, so I do not have my sunglasses on. Look at that. There's the original entrance. Isn't that gorgeous? Doorway of doom.